Hi everyone, it's VoiceOver Celeste, and this channel is all about cosplay! I teach you tutorials on how to do the makeup, how to do the cosplay, so you can become the character of your dreams. Today's cosplay is a little bit smaller and it's finger claws. These claws I'm going to be using for several Evelynn cosplays from League of Legends. Don't forget, I love League, so add me on League of Legends, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. For this project, you will need paper, a marking utensil, I'm using light blue foam, and some scissors, and of course, hot glue. We're going to be making this kind of shape. It kind of looks like a shield. But in reality, it's just a simple diamond or a kite shape. From the top point to the middle points, you want to kind of draw a nice curve. Obviously, you want it to be symmetrical. So what you can do is after you're done drawing your shape, fold it in half and then cut it out. This top part is going to be on top of the finger and it's going to be above the joint. Now slowly wrap the sides and see if it fits one of your fingers. You want it to overlap slightly but not too much. This one fits my middle finger a little bit too big, so instead I might be able to cut it down and resize it. Make sure that it can overlap a little bit underneath the finger so you can hide the seam. Once you're happy with the shape, make 4 more patterns for all fingers. Something that's really important that I cannot stress enough is make sure you label which finger is which pattern. Now get out your foam and your pattern pieces. You want to cut out your pattern pieces twice for both hands. I'm going to be tracing mine out with a marker so it's large enough that I can cut it out easier. Before I cut anything out, I wanted to make sure that I had all my pieces labeled and I put a little initial on it. Because foam is not like fabric, I can lay the pattern pieces however I want and try to save as much foam as possible. Once you're done with all your pattern pieces, make sure to cut them out. Make sure your hot glue gun is on, because this next part involves it. What you want to do is get your hot glue gun and draw a line down the middle of it. It's okay if it's not perfect because you're going to be folding it in half. Press it really good and nice, but don't let it cool completely, and then open it. Once you open it, you should have this nice indentation. That's what we want, and then afterwards we can glue it closed. But go ahead and do this to all of your other little finger claw pieces. And be careful not to burn yourself. I burned myself a few times. And then when you're closing it, you might just have a little piece. I had little pieces at the top, but make sure it fits and you can go all the way down. This is a closer look at what the bottom part looks like. It's still open and it won't be on my finger particularly. So I'm going to put hot glue all the way to the tip on the inside and slowly press it together, not compromising the cone shape that we want. Now you just have to repeat this for all of your other fingers. Again, I decided to use nail polish to ornate these. I wanted to have a little bit of fun and variety and kind of marble it around and have a little bit of a glitter effect. Obviously, you can decorate these any way you want. Once you are fully finished with all 10 claws, this is what they will look like. I'm really happy with the result of this little quick tutorial that I did. I hope you guys find it really helpful, and I'll be using this again for a few different cosplays, and I can't wait to have the full outfit done. Be sure to stay tuned for those videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And for anyone that's new, I do cosplay tutorials all the time. So come back, stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in another video. Bye!